Kanglek Park Indigenous Martial Arts and Cultural Society, Kimacs, has called for dialogue with the Byju website and the Manipuri General Knowledge Facebook page regarding their misleading response to the question of who is the father of Manipuri dance, attributing to Guru Bipin. This statement was made during a press conference held today at Kimacs head office in Paris compound by General Secretary R.K. Lenin Sana. He expressed shock that a global response to the misinformation which stated Guru Bipin Singh as the father of Manipuri dance on the Manipuri General Knowledge Facebook page, which is a part of Byju's website. He clarified that there were several esteemed gurus who preceded Guru Bipin Singh, such as Guru Amudon, Guru Amubi and Guru Tombi. Lenin Sana further emphasized the importance of rectifying the misinformation to prevent misleading people, urging a thorough review on the matter.
Manipuri jagoi habasi karino haibagi koigi nungi atra khangdana adugumlaba media gi platform yam asida koigi thadok pirapasi yamna lebak macha ta daba onkhak oina lojei haijatare Kimacs mai kaidigi maramdi Manipur gi chanabi culture mahirol digi sagona jarga laksaba koigi jagoi isai adugumlaba kayamarum lay adubu ngasing asi aikoigi lamnamsida jagoi isai gi institute ina so hangdun laibiri ba aikoigi government dance college amadi Jan Manipur dance academy lejari hadi sugum institute ani si akoina oja guru oina sangna sonari ba lawi kraba aikoigi Guru Amudon Guru Amubi Guru Tombi hariba moki matamda hodokpiramani aduga aikoigi hojiki Guru Bipin Singh haidana aikoigi moina pin tawraga chawina pibiri ba aikoigi sumlaba father of Manipuri dance hari sina aikoigi hariba guru ohum sidagi thangdarakpa adumla guru oduni ngasagi guru ohum sina ju ngaikoigi yalhongai mahirol dagi leklaba jagoi isai sing yamna fajaba mawongda sembi sabiraga yamna classical oiba mawongda yamna fajana thambiramba adugumlaba jagoi gi form kayama Manipur sida ngasibo saduna ngasibo ta chanaduna leiri adubu ngasagi jaguru humdubu tungoinaram laga ngasagi guru akoi Guru Bipin Singh asina akoi gi father of Manipuri dance haibana lakhosi yamna chaina ba ama oi